Yes, good morning everyone. This is Guider Alan Ramos again. Okay, so nung unang pong video ko na pinakita ko sa inyo o itinuro ko sa inyo is about the basic cryptocurrency. Okay, so ano po yung cryptocurrency? Okay, kailan po ito ginawa? Kailan ito nagka-value? At ang value nitong 2017, kung ano yung value niya ngayon? And itinuro ko sa inyo dun kung ano yung cryptocurrency, ano yung wallet address, or ano yung coin market, and then yung coin wallet address. Okay? So, tinuro ko po lahat doon and chinat down din po natin a little bit kung paano po kikita yung Bitcoin. So, paano tayo kikita? There are different ways kung paano tayo kumita sa cryptocurrency, sa Bitcoin, sa cryptocurrency. Okay? So, ngayon, ituturo ko po siya ngayon. So, nalaman nyo rin kung ano po yung ICO dun sa initial coin offering dun sa last video ko. And yung launching na isang cryptocurrency kung paano po kikita. So again, yung ICO, so pwede kang sumali kasi minimal lang po yung doon, yung investment doon. Bibili ka ng isang cryptocurrency or isang coin, kung ano man yung coin na yun. And then after the launching or after the initial coin offering, tataas po ang value nito. So depende po dun sa developer kung paano niya mapapalaki ito. Magkakaroon ba ito ng maraming merchants or magkakaroon ba ng maraming users. So dun po kikita po yung mga tao, okay, kikita po yung mga investors. Now let me show you my screen. Okay, papakita ko naman po ito. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano isa sa mga promising na cryptocurrency which is magla-launch po by July 1, 2017. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Okay, this is the one. This is the cryptocurrency. So, ito lang po yung explain ko. Yeah, brief explanation po ulit. So, this is cryptocurrency. So, tinuro ko po sa inyo again yung kagandahan nito. How valuable is cryptocurrency. So, another thing, this is the initial coin offering. So sabi mo nga, ang bawat cryptocurrency is nagkakaroon ng initial coin offering or launching. And these are the samples of the cryptocurrency. So yung Bitcoin, which is the mother of all cryptocurrency. So may mga ibang altcoins, okay, which is ito yung mga anak ni Bitcoin, which is meron din mga value yan. So different value, okay. So this is Bitcoin again. So ang value ngayon ng Bitcoin is I think nasa 133,000 per Bitcoin. And this is the coin market. So dito po binibenta yung mga cryptocurrency. CSEX, we have the Cryptopia, yan po yung mga samples, yung mga coin market, and Polynex, which is ito sa mga sisikat na extra coin market po. And this one, ito po yung Remitano, this is the wallet, which is ito po yung nasa Pilipinas. So we have I think 7 wallet coin exchanger, which is pwede po natin ipalit, ibenta, magtinda. Okay, we can sell and buy Bitcoin dito sa Remitano, sa coin.ph, sa Abra. Okay, which is ang pinakasikat po is this coins.ph. Dito po tayo pwede mag-store ng Bitcoin. Pwede tayong bumili rito and then pwede rin po natin ibenta. Okay, pwede natin cash out. Okay, so itinuro ko naman po kung paano po yung pag-cash in and pag-cash out po sa unang video natin. Okay, so ngayon, i-close ko lang po to. And then, ito po, papakita ko po sa inyo ngayon kung ano po yung isa sa mga promising, okay, promising na cryptocurrency. Okay, so, okay, check po natin. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so ngayon po, okay, the pre-launch will begins on July 1, 2017. So we have 14 days to go, 49 minutes and 40 seconds. So after explaining this, hopefully maintindihan niyo po at makuha niyo po yung logic ko, makuha niyo po kung paano po tayo kikita rito. Okay? So this is a promising cryptocurrency, this Dogecoin. And another thing, ang story po ng Dogecoin na to, ito po ang kapatid niya na si Byteball. Okay? So si Byteball is kapatid ni Dogecoin. So ang developer po nito is iisa po. Iisa po ang developer ng Byteball at saka Dogecoin. So if we're going to check this Byteball sa coin market, ang value po niya, okay, ang value ni Byteball sa ngayon is $648. So to think, this Byteball is nag-start lang po ito ng middle ng 2016. So in 6 months, umabot po ito ng $863. And now, nasa $648. So ibig sabihin, nagpa-fluctuate siya. So fluctuating siya. So maganda po yung cryptocurrency kasi kapag nagpa-fluctuate siya. So may bumibili, may nagbibenta. May bumibili, may nagbibenta. Okay? So again, this Byteball, okay, this Byteball is kapatid po ni Dogecoin. Now, si Dogecoin naman po, maglo-launch siya on July 1, 2017. So again, this is a promising cryptocurrency na hindi natin alam. We never know na ang maging value ni Dogecoin is maging 648 kasi isa lang po yung developer niya. Okay, assuming na tumaas ang value nito ng 50% or 100% ni Dogecoin, which is $1 po ang value ngayon, so $2. So kita ka na po ng $1 each Dogecoin kung magkano meron ka or kung ilan yung meron kang Dogecoin. Okay, now let's proceed sa presentation. And then after now sa compensation plan. Okay, dito tayo sa presentation. Okay, explain ko lang po ito briefly. Okay, Dogecoin. So doon tayo. So ang vision ni Dogecoin is to educate the masses and help to bank the unbanked. Okay? So kumbaga dito, ang mission niya talagang ituturo po ni Dogecoin kung ano po yung cryptocurrency at ano po yung mga altcoins na to. Okay, medyo na-chat down po natin with explanation sa first video ko. Pero I think mas maganda po yung tuturo nito ni Dogecoin. And the vision is to become one of the most widely used cryptocurrency. So 1 million educated customers by end of 2018, reached to 10 million Dogecoin users by end of 2018. So ibig sabihin, 10 million Dogecoin users, that is mga investors, okay, members, and merchants. So kapag ang isang cryptocurrency po kasi is kapag ginagamit ng merchants, ng investors, ng members, okay? So mas lalo pong tumataas ang value niyan. To think, yung Byteball, maybe ganyan po yung nangyari niyan. Or marami po siyang merchants, so tinatanggap na siguro siya sa mga department store or tinatanggap siya sa mga establishment po dun sa kung saan po lupalop itong Byteball na to. Kaya po tumaas ng value ng nasa 863, which is now is nasa $648. So Dogecoin, Estonia. So Estonia, dito po galing yung mga, sabi nga dito, is magtatalinong tao, which is dito po nadidevelop yung mga IT. Okay, yung mga Skype and everything. So matatalino po yung mga tao dito sa Estonia. Dito yung mga IT hub. So dito nanggagaling yung mga tao. Okay? So scroll down tayo. So again, this is Estonia, well known in the IT hub. So dito po galing yung mga, syempre, mga expert sa Estonia, which is they developed this Skype, TransferWise. Okay? So this one, it is e-residency, e-voting. Okay? So pag-usapan naman po natin yung evolving ng money. Okay? Diba nung una, wala namang pera, di ba? Ang una po nangyari is barter. So ibig sabihin to exchanging goods to goods. So para bang meron kang kalabaw, ipapalit mo sa akin ng kambing. So gano'n lang po nangyari. And then came this metal coin. So yung mga barya na to, yung mga mamera na po to. Okay? And then on 7th century, so paper currency. So nagkaroon na po tayo ng mga fiat money na paper, mga papel na yan. Okay? And noong 1659, so nangyari po niyan, mga cheque na yung lumabas. Di ba? Mga cheque tayo minsan. Okay, may mga tumatalbog pa nga na cheque, di ba? So pero cheque, which means of currency din po yan na pwede po natin gamitin para pambili ng ano-ano. Okay? And then comes this plastic cards. Okay? So, yung mga plastic cards natin, credit cards, okay, ATM cards, so dumating ng 1958. So, this means this plastic card, ATM, credit card, so kumbaga na-use natin ito pambili, di ba? And then comes online banking. So, nagkaroon na ng online, so which is technology comes, kumbaga talagang kahit na wala kang pera, basta meron kang online, okay, meron kang connections at meron kang pera doon digital, okay, so may pera ka. And then again, these mobile payments, 1997, dumating siya. And now, in 2009, ito na po yung cryptocurrency, dumating na po siya. So again, we have fiat money, and now we have this 2009, okay, create to ni Satoshi Nakamoto, which is ngayon, nagkaroon ng cryptocurrency, and the mother of all cryptocurrency is this what we call Bitcoin. Okay, so ang value again, which is na-chat down po natin sa first video natin, na ang Bitcoin value nito ng 2,090 cents lang po. And now, dumating po sa panahon na naging this month, naging 190,000 po yung value ni Bitcoin. Okay? So that is the evolving of the money. Okay? So cryptocurrency. Okay? So scroll down tayo. Okay, again, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is the mother of all cryptocurrency, and now dumating po, ito yung top 4 po ng mga cryptocurrency around the world. Comes Dash, si Ethereum, and then si Ripple. So, assuming na dati nalaman niyo itong mga cryptocurrency at sumali kayo sa mga initial coin offering ng mga to, for sure po ngayon, or tayo, is milyonaryo na po tayo dito. Kasi kung magkano yung value of the price from 0.2 US dollar, then naging $130 in 3 years time. Okay, in 3 years time, si Dash, okay, from 0.2 dollars, naging $130 siya. Okay? So, si Bitcoin naman, okay, from 0.001 USD, which is cents lang to, naging 2,200 US dollar. Okay? So, Ethereum, from 2 US dollar, in 1.5 years, 1.5 years, isa't kalahating taon lang, naging $230. Okay? And then Camps Rifle, from 0.005 USD up to 0.2 US dollar. Okay? So medyo, I think, mas mataas din po ito kasi 0.005, okay? And then 0.2, I think mataas na po yan. So kung i-convert po natin. So, okay, those are the cryptocurrency na tumaas ang value. Marami pong cryptocurrency, there are a lot or thousands of cryptocurrency na may mga value din pero hindi ganun kalataas. Okay? So, okay, scroll down po tayo. Okay, this business. So, as you can see, so si Bill Gates and one of the two of the prominent businessman in the world is Bill Gates and Richard Branson. So, for sure, medyo kilala na po natin sila sa mukha or sa pangalan man lang na isa rin po sila gumagamit ng Bitcoin. And you can check this sa mga YouTubes po natin kung ano po yung sinasabi ni Bill Gates and Richard Branson about this Bitcoin. Yeah, truly, the Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency is promising. So later, I think, baka hindi na tayo gumamit ng fiat money or we call it paper money. Gamitin na po natin even sa pagbili natin sa Jollibee or kung saan man sa mga pharmacy, Bitcoin na po pambayad natin. Okay, so scroll down na po tayo. And we use instead of blockchain, so meron po tayong blockchain, meron po tayong sariling chain, which is ito po yung pinaka-ledger po. Okay, so balikan natin, this blockchain naman, this blockchain is ano naman po ito, para bang nasa mga mga resibo from, kumbaga kinakala to going to BIR. So from dun sa mga merchants, sa mga stores or mga establishment, going dun sa BIR. And this blockchain naman, so for all cryptocurrencies, so meron po siyang ledger. Okay, we call that, kung ano yung resibo niya is we call that hash ID. Okay, then scroll down po tayo. Okay, scroll down tayo. Okay, so ang Dogecoin, as a cryptocurrency, meron po siyang 1 million Dogecoins. Okay, so okay, eco-friendly, so 24/7 transactions, doon sa website natin, fast transactions, cheap transactions, secure, easy to use, kumbaga friendly use po siya. Okay, vast ecosystem, valuable, strong vision, okay, multi-signature, conditional payment, mobile payments. So, gagamitin po tayo sa mobile payments. Okay? So, scroll down tayo. Okay? And this is the roadmap. Okay, this is the roadmap. So, pag-usapan natin yung roadmap na to. Okay, on May, get ready, Century Series 3. So, ito po, dinidevelop na po dito. Now, on July 1, okay, July 1, which is, ilang ano pa, 14 days na lang po siya. Okay, 14 days, magkakaroon po siya mapupunta po siya sa mga coin market. Same just like as Byteball. So, we never know kung magkano yung value nito per Dogecoin on July 1, 2017. Okay, on August, multi-sign, multi-wallet. Okay, on October, merchants. So, magkakaroon ng mga merchants. Ibig sabihin po, kapag nagkaroon po ng mga merchants to, okay, lalo pong tataas ang value nito. Okay, and then another is magkakaroon ng online gaming platform. So, ito, magiging gagamitin po yung Dogecoin ng online gaming. So, tataas naman ang value niya. So, we never know kung hanggang saan po yung magiging value nito. Then, end of 17, ang prospect po nila is 100,000 users. Okay, 2018 e-commerce, mainstream payment solutions. So, magkakaroon siya ng payment solutions. So, for sure yan, sa payment solutions. So, sa banko or something, basta lahat po, lahat ng payment solutions marunin. And 2018, 10 million users. So, yun po yung roadmap niya. Okay, ang kinikwento po dito is kapag habang tumatagal at ginagamit po ito at nagkakaroon ng maraming merchants, okay, magkakaroon po ng online gaming, so tataas po yung value nito for sure. Alright, so we never know kung magkano magiging value po nito. Okay, so, yeah, magkakaroon ng public exchanges po sa coin market. Okay, magkakaroon din ito ng is public exchanges. So, gaya na nabanggit ko kanina, mga public exchanges parang sa mga coin market, kay CSEX, kay Polynex, or kay Cryptopia and other public exchangers. Okay? Okay, so ngayon, ito naman po, just in case ito may mga packages po. Okay, so pwede po kayong pumili ng packages. Okay, the first package is what we call basic, which is $20. So dito po, magiging member lang po kayo and kikita lang po kayo dito on the networking side. So just in case na nakapag-invite ka po ng isang friend mo na nag-join po dito at nag-invest po siya bumili po siya ng package sa starter, which is $100. So meron ka po 10% down. Okay, so 10%, 65% of that, which is $65 goes to your cash account, so pwede mo cash yun, and the $35 goes to your trading account, so bibili po yun ng Dagcoin additional for your Dagcoin. Okay, then Explorer, kapag ito pong package ito yung okay, starter again, I'm sorry, on the starter, $100, binili mo siya ng $100, pero magkakaroon ka ng 100 Dagcoins agad, which is ang value po ngayon is $1. So we never know on 2017, July 1, 2017, we never know kung magkano magiging value niya. It is because mapupunta siya sa coin market. Okay? Now, if you choose this Explorer, package Explorer, which is $500, okay, magkakaroon ka ng 500 Dagcoins. Okay, automatically magkakaroon ng 500 Dagcoins. Now, if you choose this package Advanced $1,000, you will have 1,000 Dagcoins. Okay, which is ang value na again is $1. So 1:1 po tayo. On Expert package, so $2,500, and then you will have 3,000 Dagcoins. On Pro package, which is $5,000, you will get 6,000 Dagcoins. On Mentor, we have $12,500, and then you're going to have 70,500 Dagcoins. On Investor package, we have $25,000, and ang makukuha po is 35,000 Dagcoins. Okay? Okay, this one, sorry. So, weekly reward. Okay. Ngayon, just in case po na $100 po, assuming, or $1,000 yung kinuha mo ng package, okay, every po yun, nagkakaroon po siya ng tubo or interest or passive income na meron po siyang 3% weekly reward. So, yung 1,000 mo, 3% of 1,000 is 30 Dagcoin. So, nadadagdagan po yung Dagcoin ng 30 Dagcoins every week. That in 4 weeks, which is 1 month, magkakaroon ka po ng additional 120 Dagcoin dun sa 1,000 package na pinili mo. Okay? And then 50% of this reward will go to escrow for 8 months. So, yung 50% nung $1,000 mo, so mag-stay lang siya in 8 months. And then, pwede mo po ibenta dun sa coin market natin. Okay? And coin market, I'm sorry. Then 50% of this reward will go into coin. Okay? 50% po nun, okay? 50% po pupunta sa trading account, which is ibibili mo ng additional Dagcoin mo. Okay? So, babago tayo. Okay? So, ngayon, punta po natin yung, actually, medyo na-chat na natin yung compensation plan. Okay? So, dito lang po tayo sa compensation plan program. Okay, so Dagcoin offers you 8 educational courses. So basic course, starters, which is these are the packages: Explorer, Advanced, Expert, Pro course, Mentor course, and Investor course. Okay, so Dagcoin offers unlimited earning potential with 5 bonuses. This is the passive weekly award, which is 3%. 3% of what package you buy the package. When you have 1,000 package, you have 30 additional Dagcoin every week, or 120 Dagcoin in a month. So direct sales bonus, you're going to have 10%. So ito yung mga direct na sponsor mo, sila na po yung mga na-invite mo. So meron kang 10% po sa bawat invest nila. Kunyari, nag-invest sila ng 5,000, you have 5% on that. Okay? Volume bonus, this is direct. This is the pairing bonus. So meron din po 10% to, which is kung meron kang team A and team B, so sa team A mo meron kang $1,000 and team B is 500. So yung 500 na po yung kukunin doon, yung 500, 10% of 500 is yung po yung makakasya mo po, yun po yung magiging earnings mo po. Okay, so again, we have leadership bonus. So malalim na po ito for sure pag nandito na tayo, kumikita na tayo na malaki dito sa leadership bonus and recognition rewards. So, Dagcoins offers you 10 recognition ranks. So, meron po yung junior manager, Dag manager, senior manager, junior vice president, DAG Vice President, DAG President International. So ito po, medyo matataas na po ito. Okay, we're going to start on the, syempre sa una po tayo mag-start sa mababa po lang tayo. Okay? So, dun na po, dito po, kung makikita niyo po dito sa rule na to, okay, dun sa pairing bonus at direct referral bonus, 65 of that, 65%, assuming na in 1 week po is naka $1,000 ka. So, 650, which is 65% of 1,000, is mapupunta po sa cash account mo, which is pwede mo withdraw. And then 35% of that, 1,000 is 350, okay? 350 will go to the trading account, which is pambili po ng DAG coin. Okay? So, ano ba? Alright? So, again, ito naman po yung mga packages. Okay? So, again, just in case po na bumili po kayo dito, ang maganda po nito yung passive income na 3%. So, without doing anything, tumutubo po yung DAG coin nyo at tumataas po yung value ng DAG coin. Okay? So, this one. Okay, again, the passive income, 3%. Okay? So, this is the direct sales bonus. So, just in case na nakapag-invite po kayo ng Explorer, the package which is $500, so meron kang 10% doon, which is meron kang 50. Okay? Yung sa 1,000 na advance na package, meron kang $100. Okay? So, yun po, medyo malalim na po to. Virtually, kapag may experience po. So, aralin po natin. Pero ang the good thing po dito is yung passive income, direct referral bonus, pairing bonus, and another thing po is yung, another thing is that pairing bonus, direct referral bonus, and then yung passive income na 3%. And ang isa pong nakaka-ano dito, sabi ko nga sa inyo, is yung DAG, yung bite ball, which is the brother or the sister of this DAG coin, is ang value niya ngayon is nasa $648. Okay, now ngayon, itong DAG coin naman, okay, this DAG coin will launch on July 1, 2017. So we never know kapag nasa coin market po siya at tumas po yung value niya. Assuming 1 is to $1 tayo, right? Just in case na pumalo na ito ng $2 at pero kung 100 DAG coin. So tumubo at kumita ka na po ng $100. That is only for $1 only. What if it hits $5, $10, $20, $100? It is because nagkaano po tayo sa white ball na isa po yung developer niya. Okay? So I think this is a promising cryptocurrency. So hopefully makasama po namin kayo dito sa venture na to. Again, this is Skyler Alan saying goodbye and have a nice day.